Bonjour à tous. Good morning to all of you. Je m'appelle Himanshu. My name is Himanshu. Et comme vous savez, je suis votre professeur de français. As you know, I'm your French professor. J'espère que vous allez bien. I hope that you are going good. So let us start today's lesson. Ensuite, c'est parti notre leçon d'aujourd'hui, which is 129 most common adjectives. Let us start. List of common French adjectives: âgé, old, oblique, elderly, amical, friendly, ancien, old, oblique, ancient, argenté, silver, assuré, confident, autre, other, beau, beautiful with masculine word, good looking, handsome, belle, beautiful with feminine person or noun, oblique, pretty, bizarre, odd, peculiar, strange, blanc, white, bleu, blue, bon, good, bronze, tan, brun, oblique, brun, oblique, marron, brown, certain, definite, certain, show, warm, hot, horny, share, dear, beloved, expensive, clear, light, obvious, confused, embarrassed, confused, ashamed, content, happy, glad, pleased, courageux, brave, dernier, last, final, previous, désolé, apologetic, sorry, désorienté, confused, différent, different, difficile, difficult, hard, tough, doré, gold, doux, sweet, droit, upright, law, drôle, comical, funny, amusing, strange or funny, du brouillard, foggy, du soleil, sunny, du vent, windy, effrayé, scared, ennuyé, annoyed, ennuyant, boring, entier, whole, entire, absolute, épuisé, exhausted, étrange, strange, odd, fâché, angry, facile, easy, faible, weak, person or object, fatigué, tired, faux, wrong, untrue, false, fort, strong, sturdy, powerful, frais, cool, français, French, froid, cold, gel, freezing, gentil, kind, nice, sweet, grand, tall, big, large, grave, serious, gris, oblique, gris, grey, gros, large, big, thick, fat, heavy, O, high, tall, hero, happy, glad, humor, human, humid, humid, impatient, impatient, important, important, impossible, impossible, inquiet, worried, intelligent, smart, intéressant, interesting, jaune, yellow, jeune, young, green, jolie, pretty, lovely, nice, attractive, juiced, just, leisure, light, subtle, superficial, libre, free, available, vacant, long, 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 lourd, heavy, malade, ill, sick, unwell, mauvais, bad, unpleasant, nasty, méchant, mean, meilleur, better, superior, même, same, mince, thin, moche, laid, ugly, more, dead, naif, knave, navre, sorry, neige, snowing, nerveux, nervous, noir, black, dark, nouveau, new, latest, nuageux, cloudy, orageux, stormy, orange, orange, over, ouvert, outgoing, pareil, the same, alike, similar, paresseux, lazy, patient, patient, patriotique, patriotic, pauvre, poor, humble, wretched, petit, small, little, plein, full, solid, busy, as in day or life, pleu, raining, pleu aves, pouring, possible, possible, feasible, premiere, early, nearest, first, pressé, in a hurry, prêt, ready, prochain, next, imminent, near, immediate, propre, clean, neat, own, ravi, delighted, rose, pink, rouge, red, sale, dirty, filthy, serious, serious, seul, alone, lonely, simple, straightforward, simple, solitaire, lonely, sportif, athletic, stupid, stupid, super, great, terrific, sympa, nice, timid, shy, few, all, completely, tranquil, quite peaceful, calm, still, travailleur, hardworking, triste, sad, unhappy, sorrowful, where, green, inexperienced, weed, empty, bar, vieilli, old, feminine, vieux, old, masculine, or ancient, violet, purple, vivant, living, alive, lively, vrai, true, genuine, C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Merci beaucoup pour me rejoindre. Et je vous souhaite une bonne journée et je vous souhaite que vous appreniez le français dès que possible. Merci beaucoup encore une fois. Au revoir. Bonsoir.